a tutorial on custom sort. Here we have a lot of data with several different fields, and the field that I'll be concentrating on is sweatshirt size. As you can see, we have different sizes, and the sizes that we have from smallest to largest is petite all the way down to really big boy being the largest. Okay, you and I understand this logic, but Excel doesn't. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a custom sort to teach Excel our logic. Okay, just click inside anywhere into the table here. It doesn't really matter where, just click inside. And under the Home tab, go to the far right, Sort and Filter. And we want to do a custom sort. And if you notice, our entire table is gray. So let's sort by sweatshirt size and in order, and we want to do a custom list. Okay, we want to add a new custom list to this left-hand side. So add, just click inside here and type in petite, enter, small, enter, and really big boy, and enter. Now, as soon as I add this, it will populate here in the left-hand side. And sure enough, it does. So, okay. And let's do a custom sort on from petite to small to medium to large. And sure enough, all the petites show up first in the list. Okay, let's go back to our custom list. And let's add another level. And we can sort by, let's say, region. And we can do A to Z or G to A, and the list will change. And sure enough, it does. A quick tutorial on custom sort.